Have you ever wondered why simple tasks like climbing stairs or standing up from a chair seem harder with age? What if the real issue isn't just getting older, but missing out on one overlooked breakfast food that could support muscle strength, energy, and confidence in just 2 weeks? Forget expensive supplements or grueling workouts. Emerging research shows that a single, affordable bean eaten before 7 a.m. could help older adults regain strength and improve balance. It's not magic. It's nutrition timed to support how the body rebuilds muscle naturally. Today, we're exploring the science behind this humble superfood, how it helps fight age-related muscle loss, known as sarcopenia, and a simple morning routine that could change everything for people over 60. Stay tuned until the end for a bonus recipe and gentle movement routine designed to maximize these benefits without stepping into a gym. The problem of age-related muscle loss. Aging naturally brings change, graying hair, slower mornings, and a few more creaks in the joints. But feeling noticeably weaker, losing your balance more often, or battling daily fatigue isn't something to simply accept. These are potential signs of a condition called sarcopenia, the progressive loss of muscle mass and strength that begins as early as your 50s. According to the National Institutes of Health, sarcopenia affects nearly 1 in 3 adults over age 60. It doesn't just make climbing stairs harder or lifting groceries more difficult. It also increases the risk of falls, fractures, hospitalizations, and even loss of independence. It quietly erodes physical ability, making everyday tasks feel more draining. What surprises most people? Sarcopenia can occur even in those who eat well and stay moderately active. Why? Because muscle maintenance and repair aren't just about moving your body. They're about when and how you nourish it. Muscle is a metabolically active tissue that needs targeted support. After an overnight fast, your body is especially ready to absorb nutrients. This morning window is when muscle cells are most responsive to amino acids, the building blocks of strength. Miss it, and muscle protein synthesis slows down, leaving recovery incomplete and repair delayed. The problem is, most older adults aren't eating the right combination of nutrients during this window. And that's where an unlikely hero enters the picture: black beans. Affordable, accessible, and often overlooked, black beans are emerging as one of the most effective plant-based foods for supporting muscle health after 60. They're packed with leucine, a powerful amino acid shown to trigger muscle-building pathways even in aging bodies that have grown less responsive over time. But black beans don't stop there. They offer blood sugar stability, anti-inflammatory compounds, gut-friendly fiber, and essential minerals like magnesium, all of which contribute to overall strength and energy. In short, it's not just about eating breakfast, it's about eating the right breakfast. And when that includes something as simple as half a cup of black beans, studies show that remarkable results can follow in as little as 14 days. So, if your legs feel unsteady, stairs seem steeper, or your energy just isn't what it used to be, don't chalk it up to age. It might just be a signal that your muscles are waiting to be refueled. Why black beans? Black beans might seem humble, a common pantry item, often serve as a side dish. But for older adults looking to preserve or regain strength, black beans are a nutritional powerhouse hiding in plain sight. Their real value lies not just in their protein content, but in one key amino acid they deliver in meaningful amounts: leucine. Leucine is one of the 9 essential amino acids your body needs, but can't produce on its own. It plays a central role in muscle protein synthesis, the process of repairing and rebuilding muscle tissue. For adults over 60, this process becomes less efficient with age. That's why muscle mass often declines, even when activity levels stay the same. But research shows that consuming leucine-rich foods, especially in the morning, can help reignite that muscle-building process. In fact, a 2022 study published in the Journal of Applied Gerontology found that older adults who included black beans in their breakfast improved their lower body strength and walking speed within just 2 weeks, even without changing their exercise routines. That's a remarkable outcome from a simple dietary change. So what makes black beans such an effective muscle food? High-quality plant protein. While many plant sources fall short on essential amino acids, black beans contain a well-balanced profile, including the all-important leucine, along with isoleucine and valine, three amino acids especially beneficial for muscle maintenance. Blood sugar stability. Black beans are rich in soluble fiber and complex carbohydrates, which slow the absorption of glucose, preventing the blood sugar spikes and crashes that can leave you feeling drained. Stable blood sugar is key to lowering chronic inflammation, an underlying factor in muscle breakdown and fatigue. Mineral support. Black beans are a natural source of magnesium and potassium, two minerals essential for muscle contraction, nerve function, and recovery. Magnesium, in particular, is often lacking in older adults' diets, and deficiencies are linked to cramps, weakness, and reduced coordination. Gentle on aging kidneys. Unlike some high-protein supplements or animal proteins, black beans provide muscle-building benefits without overloading the kidneys, a common concern for older adults managing chronic conditions. Budget-friendly and accessible. A serving of black beans costs less than a cup of coffee. They're shelf-stable, easy to store, and can be used in dozens of dishes. Easy to prepare and digest. When soaked and cooked properly, or rinsed well if using canned, black beans are gentle on digestion and low in problematic compounds like lectins. In short, black beans offer a science-backed, affordable, and practical solution for seniors looking to rebuild strength, restore energy, and support long-term health, all without stepping foot in a gym. When it comes to rebuilding muscle after 60, what you eat matters, but when you eat it can matter just as much. Morning is the body's prime time for nutrient absorption, especially after an overnight fast. During this window, insulin sensitivity peaks, allowing cells to absorb amino acids, glucose, and minerals more efficiently. That means breakfast isn't just a meal, it's an opportunity. Eating half a cup of black beans within 30 minutes of waking aligns with your body's natural circadian rhythm. It delivers leucine, fiber, and complex carbs exactly when your muscle tissue is most ready to rebuild. This small shift supports better muscle recovery and improves energy distribution throughout the day. No sugar crashes. No post-breakfast fatigue. Just clean, stable strength. But timing isn't about sticking to a rigid clock. It's about sending the right signals to the body. After age 60, the body doesn't always automatically respond to nutrients like it used to. Strategic meal timing can help jumpstart biological processes that have slowed down with age. By turning breakfast into a muscle-supporting ritual, you can transform the first hour of your day into a signal for strength. Pairing quality nutrition with movement during this window amplifies the effects. Research in nutrition and healthy aging confirms that nutrient timing, especially in the morning, can increase amino acid uptake, reduce inflammation, and promote lean muscle maintenance in older adults. So rather than skipping breakfast or grabbing something processed, consider black beans your morning muscle reset, a simple yet powerful habit that delivers results. How to prepare black beans. To unlock the full benefits of black beans, especially for adults over 60, preparation is key. While beans are naturally nutrient-dense, the way they're cooked can either support or hinder digestion and absorption. Step 1. Soak and rinse. If starting with dried beans, soak them overnight in water with either a splash of lemon juice or a pinch of baking soda. This step reduces lectins and phytic acid, natural compounds that can interfere with mineral absorption and cause bloating. Soaking also makes the beans more tender and easier on sensitive digestive systems. Step 2. Cook until soft. Simmer beans in water or low-sodium broth for about 45 minutes, or until easily mashed with a fork. Avoid undercooking. Soft beans are not only more pleasant to eat, but also more bioavailable. Short on time? Canned black beans are a convenient alternative. Just be sure to rinse them thoroughly under cold water to remove excess sodium and preservatives. Step 3. Enhance with healthy additions. Add a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil and a sprinkle of turmeric or cumin. These ingredients offer anti-inflammatory support and aid digestion. Then, build a balanced breakfast plate. Black beans with sautéed greens, half an avocado, or soft-boiled egg. Whole grain toast or steamed sweet potato can round out the meal for sustained energy. Avoid pairing with high glycemic foods. Sugary cereals, white bread, fruit juices, or sweet spreads like jam can spike blood sugar, undoing the stabilizing benefits of black beans. Instead, think of this as a slow-energy, high-recovery meal, one that supports strength, balance, and better aging. With the right preparation and thoughtful pairing, black beans become more than food. They become a foundation for functional health, starting at breakfast. A perfect pairing: add eggs. Black beans provide a solid foundation for muscle recovery, but when paired with eggs, their benefits multiply. Soft-boiled or poached eggs bring high-quality, bioavailable protein, meaning it's easier for aging bodies to absorb and use. They also offer healthy fats, especially in the yolk, that enhance nutrient uptake and support cellular health. Here's what makes eggs an ideal complement. Complete protein. Eggs contain all 9 essential amino acids, critical for muscle protein synthesis, especially in older adults. Choline. This nutrient supports brain function and neuromuscular signaling, reducing fall risk and boosting mental clarity. Vitamin D. Found in the yolk, vitamin D helps the body absorb calcium, which is essential for bone and muscle coordination. Selenium and lutein. These compounds reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, supporting long-term mobility and eye health. A 2020 meta-analysis published in Nutrition Reviews found that seniors who consumed eggs regularly had significantly better muscle mass, grip strength, and balance, even without changes in physical activity. To get the most from this duo, simply pair half a cup of black beans with 1 or 2 soft-boiled eggs. Add a few slices of avocado for healthy fats, sprinkle with black pepper or herbs, and serve warm. No need for protein powders or synthetic supplements. This natural combo provides everything aging muscles need to rebuild, recover, and stay strong. Gentle morning movement. Nutrition sets the stage, but movement activates the performance. After fueling up with black beans and eggs, a few minutes of gentle exercise can help muscles absorb nutrients more efficiently. A study published in the Journal of Geriatric Physical Therapy found that light activity following a protein-rich meal significantly increased amino acid delivery to muscle tissue. That means the same breakfast becomes more effective with a little motion. Try this 10-minute morning routine. March in place. 1 minute gently raises heart rate and stimulates circulation. Arm circles, 30 seconds forward, 30 seconds backward loosens shoulders and activates the upper body. Seated leg lifts, 10 reps per leg strengthens quads and improves blood flow to the lower body. Wall push-ups, 10 reps builds upper body strength without straining joints. Side steps, 1 minute engages hips and improves lateral balance. Neck rolls and shoulder shrugs, 1 minute reduces tension and boosts body awareness. No gym, no equipment, just simple, intentional movement. Even adults with limited mobility can adapt this routine by moving at their own pace or doing the exercises seated. Why does this matter? Because timing nutrients with light activity sends a powerful signal. It tells your body it's time to rebuild. The result? More energy, better balance, and a stronger start to your day. Common mistakes to avoid. Even with the right food and movement, small missteps can quietly slow your progress. These 5 common mistakes are especially important to avoid after 60, when the body becomes more sensitive to nutrient timing and daily rhythms. 1. Skipping breakfast. After an overnight fast, your muscles are in a catabolic breakdown state. Without morning protein, your body begins using muscle tissue for energy. A consistent breakfast helps reverse this process and supports repair. 2. Relying on multivitamins. While supplements can fill some gaps, real food provides nutrients in forms that are easier for the body to recognize and absorb. For example, magnesium from black beans is more bioavailable than from most pills, especially when consumed with fiber and fat. 3. Sitting too long. Extended sedentary periods reduce circulation and slow muscle activation. Even light activity every 45 minutes, such as stretching or a short walk, helps keep muscle fibers engaged. 4. Late night meals. Eating too close to bedtime forces the body to focus on digestion rather than repair. This reduces deep sleep quality and slows muscle recovery. Finish meals at least 2 to 3 hours before sleep. 5. Underhydration. Muscle tissue is made of about 75% water. Even mild dehydration can cause cramping, stiffness, and slower recovery. Many older adults avoid drinking to reduce bathroom trips, but sipping water consistently throughout the day is essential. Small adjustments make a big difference. Sip herbal tea or lemon water in the morning. Set a reminder to stand every 45 minutes and finish dinner earlier. Together, these micro habits protect and enhance the muscle-building efforts you've already started. This isn't a theory. It's a pattern seen in real people. With just 2 consistent weeks of black beans and eggs at breakfast, many seniors begin to notice tangible changes. Improved ease when standing up from chairs. Less leg stiffness or cramping at night. Deeper, more restful sleep. Better balance and walking confidence. Fewer energy crashes throughout the day. How is that possible? The answer lies in the steady supply of amino acids, minerals like magnesium and potassium, and anti-inflammatory compounds delivered by this simple meal. When eaten early in the day and paired with movement, they align with your body's natural repair cycle. Muscle recovery doesn't happen overnight, but it does respond quickly to consistency. Studies confirm that older adults can rebuild muscle and improve functional strength, even without exercise, by fueling their bodies intentionally. Around day 7, many begin to walk farther or lift groceries with less strain. By day 14, posture improves, sleep quality increases, and most importantly, a sense of trust in the body returns, not just physically, but mentally. Small daily efforts add up. And for many, it starts with breakfast. Getting stronger after 60 doesn't mean joining a gym or buying expensive supplements. It begins with simple, consistent actions, like eating a breakfast your body actually recognizes as fuel. Black beans and eggs offer a near-perfect balance of fiber, protein, essential minerals, and natural anti-inflammatory compounds. Paired with 10 minutes of gentle morning movement, this habit sends a powerful message to aging muscles. We're rebuilding. So here's your 14-day challenge. Eat half a cup of black beans and 1 to 2 soft-boiled eggs within 30 minutes of waking. Follow with 10 minutes of gentle movement. Stay hydrated and avoid heavy meals close to bedtime. Then, observe. Track your progress in a journal or share your story in the comments. What shifts in energy, strength, or sleep do you notice by the end of week 2? For more science-backed tips on healthy aging, strength maintenance, and natural vitality, be sure to like and subscribe. And don't forget to download the free morning muscle routine guide linked below, complete with recipes, movement instructions, and shopping lists. You don't need to chase youth. You just need to support your body the way it was designed to be supported. And it all starts, right now, with breakfast.